Africa a king dance. The king doesn't dance, only this one. It's called Bara. Bara.
Madam, show me what you're working with. Talk shit divine, something I'ma really need. Vesnyana nigga voice got feminine. Give me advice, something I could really hit. Found nobody down, yeah, the big frown. So you getting down, smell a bit wrong. Struck me as a queen, yeah, that's a big noun. Really need to know if you deserve this crown. Would you vibe too much course? Man's in the purpose, chikuda in my features. Tukucharamba in the couple other leaders. Mtendi and a couple other preachers. Never got through, and I haven't get true. Remono we move, then I get through. Now tell me what gets you in the mood. I'm a character dude and tembere manud. Tell me uno koshe sam chember. Shondo uno izorim tember. Ya ubeme oswero rim dender. Abana gangster jadi rastam changer. Smile and pember, tauran terer. No dachi sasa then lip tenger. Long as you're nice, long as I SM jama. Dog by show them sembering. Madam, show me what you're working with. Talk shit divine, something I'ma really need. Vesnyana nigga voice got feminine. Give me advice, something I could really hit. Found nobody down, yeah, the big frown. So you getting down, smell a bit wrong. Struck me as a queen, yeah, that's a big noun. Really need to know if you deserve this crown. Ndakava kwa ipisa isi, ndakajungwa ndakachwetwa ndakadipa pasini. Simbisake va usotsvake bamnini. Nevimbisa inina usokambire masini tiri tight. Page name Sion, chimbo name Dikon. Nyasha nengon, green suit, nyama neka troch kani mupon. Mapumango step fat, tema dimon. Mapenya mim, jatanga jia jestamaring. Ni chatenga ring, mune dari need some kambanin. Dara wako wacha kanzira mabururu. Dakwatsa mchembere wako ne mururu. Zaka pakati chipakura makwati. Maburu ye mnyati asichektenga nani. Madam, show me what you're working with. Talk shit divine, something I'ma really need. Vesnyana nigga voice got feminine. Give me advice, something I could really hit. Found nobody down, yeah, the big frown. So you getting down, smell a bit wrong. Struck me as a queen, yeah, that's a big noun. Really need to know if you deserve this crown.